How to install Copilot in Pycharm. So you can go ahead and find this in the plugin section. You can either search for that or you can find it here in your cog icon, which is going to be your settings, and then just go ahead into plugins. What you're going to do now is just search for Copilot or GitHub Copilot. If you don't have it yet, then it's probably in the marketplace. So again, search for GitHub and then Copilot. It should look something like this over here. Then what you're just gonna do is press on install. You have other options, but just go ahead and choose this one. So it's gonna install the plugin, of course. So just go ahead and wait for it to finish. And then just go ahead and press on this, which is restart IDE. Then you'll have this option here in the bottom right. Once your Pycharm reopens, just go ahead and sign in to your GitHub account. This tab will pop out. Just go ahead and press on continue with GitHub and just do the login process. But once it's done, you can go ahead and finish up the process inside your Pycharm, and then you will be able to use your Copilot in Pycharm. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.